Hey, how you doing? Justin here. Welcome to lesson 8, and man, have we got some fun stuff to do this lesson. We're going to start by checking out the stuck 3 and 4 chords, which are a really cool little set of chords where the 3rd and 4th fingers are stuck down in the 3rd fret on the thinnest 2 strings for all of the different shapes. A really cool trick used in loads of songs, including the featured song for this lesson, which is Wish You Were Here by Pink Floyd. We're also going to check out a new way of practicing your chord changes that I call perfect fast changes. It's like a follow-on from the 1-minute changes. We're going to look at the open E minor pentatonic scale, which is a really fascinating scale that we're going to be using for improvising later in this grade. And we're also going to look at deliberately muting strings, which is a really effective way of tidying up your playing. On top of all that, we're going to be checking out all down 8th note strumming, and we're going to also spend some time looking at pick manipulation. It's one of those things a lot of people struggle with, holding the pick, so I'm going to teach you a little bit about how to hold it and how to control the movement of the pick in your fingers. As usual, we've got tons of cool songs to learn in this lesson, and we're also going to learn the notes in the open position. So lots to get on with. Let's get started.